In this video, we're going to take a look at how your customers can use PayPal to pay their repair order when using the 360 payments integration in ShopBoss. This is going to be done using the send update feature. So like any other time you're using send update, start on the work order and click send update. This can be done through either email or phone. In this case, we're going to send a text. Your customer will receive their text and will simply click on the link. At the top of the screen, they'll have a make payment option, and once they click it, they'll have the opportunity to fill in any missing information and to choose the amount they wish to pay. Once they click enter card info, they'll have the option to put in their credit card information, or they can pay with PayPal or Venmo. We'll click PayPal, and the standard PayPal pop-up will appear. They can complete their purchase, and once done, they can choose to email themselves a receipt. Back in ShopBoss, we can see on the repair order directly that a payment for $1 has been made. To see the details of the payment, we can click on Revisions, Payments, Fees, and More, and click Payments. And here we can see the dollar that we just paid through PayPal. And that's how your customers can pay their repair order with PayPal using the 360 payments integration.